find the height of the tree, we use SOHCAHTOA. As we all know, we can find the length of a missing side or size of an angle using this method. For tree A, we use tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. The 66 feet here, which is the distance from us to the tree, is going to be the adjacent side, and X is going to be the opposite. In order to find the height of the tree, we have to isolate the opposite length, which is represented by X, and after arranging it, it would be the adjacent side times tangent. Plugging in the numbers, it'd be 66 feet times tangent of 63 degrees, which gives us 129.53 feet, the length of tree A.
The height of tree B. And well, to our measuring and stuff, we were able to evaluate that the adjacent side, which is this, amounted to 82 feet. With a projecting device, we were able to deduce that the degree angle in reference to the tree and to ourselves was 55.7 degrees. Now, using the sign SOHCAHTOA, sine, cosine, tan, in this situation we would use tan, due to the fact that SOHCAHTOA tan degrees equals opposite over adjacent, which we have the degrees and we have the adjacent side. The degrees which we found was 55.7. Meanwhile, the adjacent side measured up to 82 feet. Okay, now simply we have to multiply 82 feet on each side to rid the side of the 82 feet. And from there, it's simply up to your calculator. Just make sure it's in the degree mode, and voila. 82 times tan 55.7 is equal to 120.21 feet. And that should be the height of tree B.
For tree C, we know already this height, so this is the only one we're missing. As you can see, we developed a pattern, and we know that we can use tangent, being that we only need the opposite side. So we would set it up as tangent of 57.4 degrees equals to the opposite side, which is the one we're missing, over the adjacent side, which is 82. Then we need to get opposite by itself, so we would multiply by 82. And this would cross out and leave us with the opposite side equals to 82 times tangent of 57.4. Then we would plug that into the calculator, which would give us, it is 82 times tangent of 57.4, and that leaves us with the opposite side being equal to 128 with 21.9. This would be the height of tree C. As you can see, this is our answer for this. Okay, so in order to find the perimeter of the 3 trees, we're going to have to find the 2 missing sides and the missing angle between tree C and tree B. So in order to find the missing angle, all we have to do is subtract the 2 known angles from 180, giving us 74.4. So, with this knowledge, using the laws of sine, we're able to find the distance or the length of AC, which is the distance between tree A and tree C, and AB, the distance between tree A and tree B. So, sine 74.4 over 82 is equal sine 56 over AC. So now we have to isolate AC. So AC is equal to sine 56 over sine 74.4 over 82, giving us 70.50 feet. Now we need to find the distance between tree A and tree B. Okay, so it'll be AB is equal to sine 49.6 over sine 74.4 over 82, giving us 64.83 feet. Adding all of these up should give us 82 plus 64.83 plus 70.58 equals 2. Adding all of these together would give us 217.41. And that is the perimeter of the 3 trees.
So now that we have all the sides, we can go ahead and get the area using Heron's formula. We can use this formula, but however, since we do not have S, we have to get S first. So then we would plug in as follows. S is equal to A. We know that A is 82 plus B, which is 70.58, plus C, which is 64.83. All of this divided by 2. So then S is equal to, so we're going to put 82 plus 70.58 plus 64.83 divided by 2. And we get 108.71. Now that we have S, we can go ahead and use this formula. So we can plug in with every number as it is. Area of a triangle is equal to the square root of S, which is 108.71, times S, 108.71, minus A, which is 82, times S again, minus B, which is 70.58, times S once again, minus C, which is 64.83. And all of this is square rooted. So we know that 108, I'm just bringing it down. We know that 108 minus 82 is 26.705. We also know that's this one. We also know that 108 minus 70.58 is 38.125. It's that one. And we also know that 108.71 minus 64.83 is 43.875. And all of this is square rooted. So then we can just plug it into the calculator. And then we would have, let me put it right here, 108.71 times 26.705 times 38.125 times 43.875 0.875, and that is equal to a really large number. So then we have the square root of 4856116.084. We plug that into the calculator, and we get 2,203.66, and that is how you find the area.